What's up everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to put these lower strut bars, in your Mitsubishi Lancer. So this one is going to be mounted here in the front, that I'm gonna show you later, and this one is going to be mounted in the back of the car, that I'm gonna show you how to mount it. So as you can see, I already have my upper strut bar, my upper front strut bar, and also the trunk strut bar that I'm gonna show you right here. You can see here's the strut bar, and the small one is going to be mounted right here, and the other one right here, down there. So I'm going to show you how to do it, because these are lower strut bars and these ones are upper strut bar. So I'm going to show you how to mount it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to take out the two front wheels. You can see I already take it out. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going here, this bolt, we are going to unbolt this bolt. That is the control arm bolt from the both sides, and there is going to go the strut bar right there. That is not a strut bar because it's not on the strut, but the new bar that we are going to put. So after you take off the two bolts of the control arms right there, we are gonna put this anti-roll bar like this, and we're gonna mount it and see if we need to adjust it here. You can see this can be adjusted right here, and that's it. So I'm gonna put it and show you how it's gonna look. So this is how it's going to look. You can see right here and right there, and this is the front of the car. You can see this is the front of the car, and this is how it's going to look. So I'm gonna tight everything and I'll be back. So here in the back of the car, we're going down here and we are gonna take out this nut and this nut, and we're gonna put the bar, but be careful because these are camber bolts, and if you move it you are gonna mess your alignment, so be careful with that. So this is how it's gonna be in the car. You can see here is the strut bar in the back of the car. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.